Hey guys, we have a special, yes, a special unboxing. Actually, 2 packages today came. There's a gift from a channel supporter and Hudson merchandise arrived because we're almost at 10K. But first, most importantly is the gift for Karla and Hudson. This is from Marilyn P. from North Carolina. Oh, you ready, Huds?
Hudson's ready.
She said that she designed this especially for us. So what do you think, Hud? So, okay. Lots of kisses. Oh my God, so excited. Ooh, what's this? What's this?
Oh, it's wrapped. Wrapped nice.
Oh, it's all wrapped up. Wait.
Really?
We have to get the card first, okay? I know you're, so please, Paul. Okay. James, Karla, and Hudson.
All right.
Remember, this is from Marilyn.
All right. Thanks, Marilyn. Fantastic job.
Read it. We're opening it. You have to wait. I'm going to read the card first. That's proper etiquette, okay? Oh, it's so pretty. Look. Pretty flowers.
Oh, yeah. Really pretty.
Oh.
Oh, nice.
Pack It Up Bags by Marilyn.
Nice, Marilyn.
Wow.
Oh, wow, let me see show her card.
And it has a sewing machine, like an old school sewing machine.
Very cool.
So
we'll post a link.
Yes, we will.
Yeah.
So this is a note. I got to read it, okay? Just a small thank you for allowing me to see New York and sharing your knowledge of my home city. I left New York when I was 20 to move to New Jersey and raise my family. When I was 10 years old, I used to ride the New York subway with friends and go eat pizza. Oh God,
Yeah.
You heard the word, didn't you?
Yeah, he was doing so good.
He knows the word pizza. I lived in Brooklyn. Okay, wait.
Hudson,
and have great memories after New Jersey. I followed my children to North Carolina. I think he was licking all over the mic. After a few years, I moved to Texas for 6 years, then came back and I lived in Cary, about a half hour outside Raleigh. Oh, and we loved Raleigh. That was really cool. I saw your video. Wait, Hudson.
What's he doing?
What's he doing? Sir, get back down. And you're gonna have a treat in a minute. We didn't get our gift yet. Okay, so sit. Okay, you're getting a little impatient. So she lives in Cary, about a half hour outside Raleigh. I saw your video when you were here. Raleigh is nothing to talk about, but when you know New York, she's saying in comparison to New York, but we loved Raleigh. It's of course different than New York City, but we had lots of fun. No nibbles. You have to be patient. So I'm enclosing my cards, so if you ever come back, look me up. Oh, that sounds good. I make bags of all kinds as a part-time hobby. I sold 164 bags in 2020. Oh, stop your nibbling. This bag is a tribute to the New York slice, the best.
Ooh.
Thought you might be able to use it for Hudson paraphernalia. Hudson? What is this nibbling?
Hudson.
No nibbles.
What are you doing?
Use it for Hudson paraphernalia. He's a sweet baby. Yes, he is, but very impatient today. Every time I see you with pizza, I think I have to send a bag. Oh my God, hope you enjoy it. Thank you again for your wonderful show. Yours, Marilyn Perlman.
Very nice, Marilyn.
Okay, so we got to see this. We know it's something to do with pizza.
Very
and
cool.
Hudson, because that's what she said. Oh my God. He's at it already.
Cool.
Does it smell like pizza?
I don't know.
Maybe it does.
Scratch and sniff?
Oh!
What is it?
Oh my
wow.
God!
Oh, that is so cool.
Oh my God, look, Hudson! It's a pizza bag.
Oh, that's perfect.
I know exactly what we're going to put inside of it. Hudson, I got it. It's treats. Now, we're going to debut this in a second, but this is most important. This is from another gift, and we'll just call it B and T. They know who they are. They want to remain anonymous, but they got these home-baked
Oh, he loves them.
tail wagging dog treats, and they're baked by a special dog store, and they make their own special treats. Very healthy ingredients: whole wheat, flour, pecans, oatmeal, craisins, milk.
He loves them.
Margarine and egg. Mrs. M's dog treats.
Beautiful. Look at that bag.
So wait a minute. This is my idea.
Right.
Like Marilyn said, look, we can put
It has a zip.
dog treats in there.
Oh, that's perfect.
And then we'll have a special bag for dog treats. So that
Yeah,
way I
so
don't have to
lose them or
Yeah, well, you know, have those like awful, ugly
Plastic
Ziploc
bags,
baggies.
yeah.
They look awful.
Shabby, yeah.
Shabby. Kind of like, you know, now we have Bonbon's water bowl because
Now
we
we
were
have a
using
decent-
shabby. Now we have a beautiful pizza bag.
treat bag. Yeah.
Treat bag. Look, he wants more. Okay, ready? See, then we go
So then you just throw in
inside.
a bag. The pizza bag.
The pizza bag.
Forever known as the Marilyn pizza bag.
Marilyn pizza bag. Extra
Yeah,
good.
fantastic
Thank you,
job,
Marilyn.
Marilyn.
This is amazing. I will use it every day. Every day. This is Hudson's treat
So
bag because
perfect, so
we don't
perfect.
go for a walk without the Hudson treat bag.
No,
Another
you can't,
treat.
really.
No, of course you can't. So this is absolutely perfect. And it's enough to hold a lot of treats for Hudson because that's important
He
too.
needs a lot of treats.
It's a really nice size.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Look, we got regular cheese slice.
Cheese slice.
We
Basil.
got
Margarita.
margarita with tomato slices on it.
Yeah, which
then
is
this
nice.
one has onion
Ooh.
and pepper on it. And this one's drizzled with like extra cheese.
Nice.
Oh, and here's a pepperoni one.
Oh, yeah.
There's
Gotta
a
have
pepperoni
that.
one too. See that one?
Have to have that one. Excellent job, Marilyn.
Oh, love it. So let's put this down for a second. Wait, Hudson, because I want to just show you quickly. This was the other thing that came in the mail. This is the Hudson Pizza, so it couldn't be better, Marilyn. The Hudson Pizza Lover t-shirt, the pizza bag. We're all about pizza.
Totally outfitted.
And
The mug.
the mug. Notice both sides.
Both sides.
Sometimes people order mugs and they only get one side
Yeah,
printed.
but you left or righty.
Because Hudson,
got you covered.
Because wait, Hudson, sit. I want to show you what Hudson does. Sit. Sit on your chair, because I want you to do something. Sit. We're gonna get out a treat bag. I want your right paw. No, that's your left paw. Right paw.
Right. Very
And now I want left paw.
Good boy.
See? So you have to have right hand, left hand.
Yeah, Hudson can do both.
And now I want to show you, this is the tote bag that you can also order.
Very cool.
And look how it's nice and long, for carrying.
Little pocket
nice long
inside.
straps. And then
There's
I want
a
to show
little
you
pocket.
there's even a little pocket inside with a
snap.
snap
Yep, for more Hudson treats.
for more Hudson treats. And this is the natural color. We also have available this is 100% cotton. We also have available, but I don't have a sample of it, where you can get it in black, just like the t-shirt. Oh, Hudson's looking for more treats. So yeah, that's it, guys. So extra good. It's all about pizza today. Thank you, Marilyn. We love
Excellent job.
the pizza treat
Thing
bag.
is perfect.
That's how we'll know it. It's the Marilyn
Just
pizza
perfect.
treat bag. Extra good. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.